So yes, I'm Ricky Jackson with Grizzard Homes and Buildings. You can see here we did an upside under ceiling deck. It's a great product, easy to install, great instructions. As you can see, you can do a lot of different things with it to give the homeowner the look that they're looking for. We're here on Lake Gaston, and it's a beautiful addition to the deck, really making the space usable underneath all year round. And it looks fantastic as well. So this was just a bare deck. There was nothing above it. You could see the joists and the girders and the hangers, and really wanted to have a finished space where they could entertain in the shade all year long. If it rained, they had a spot that they weren't going to get rained on whenever weather came through, that they could enjoy the beautiful views that they have. And looking for something that could go on a deck that was already finished. It wasn't a new construction. This was coming back and retrofitting the home and modifying the existing deck, and just needed something that was simple to install, that provided great value and quality, that the homeowner will be happy with. As you can see, there's lots of homes on the lakes. A lot of the homes are on slopes and they have walkout basements, as this home does, and they have a deck above it. And it's a great addition to a home if you don't already have a under deck ceiling system. If you want to add a beautiful ceiling to your deck where you can use the space, enjoy the shade, enjoy it all year long, don't have to worry about getting rained on when weather comes through. This will be a great addition to your home at an affordable price that's installed and trimmed out to match the existing home that you already have.